This is how you allow apps to access your camera. Usually, when you first install and open an app, it will ask for access. But if you say no, but you want to change that later, this is how you do that. Go to Settings, and then go all the way out to the main settings list. Scroll down until you see Privacy and Security right there. And then scroll down until you get to Camera. There it is right there. And here we see all the apps that currently have camera access. They're toggled as green. The ones that are toggled gray don't have access. So you can turn the access on and off right here really easily if you want to. If you don't see the app that you want to have access to your camera on this list, we got to find it in our apps list. So let's go back to the main settings list. At the very bottom, there's apps. So here we can find the specific app we want to give access to. Let's say Amazon Live. Tap on it. We see there's a camera toggle right there, and we can turn that on and off to allow access or not. If you come to an app and it doesn't have this option here, or you can't turn it on, you might have to delete the app and then reinstall it. Let's say this one, for example, doesn't have camera access, but it needs it. Let's tap and hold on it, and then tap on Remove App, Delete App, Delete App. Then we go to the App Store, and we need to find the app. Let's search for it. There it is right there. Tap on the little down cloud to install it. And then once it's installed and you open it, it's going to ask for camera access for it to function. And then you can just say yes to allow camera access, and then that problem should be solved. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know, because it really helps the channel and I really appreciate it. Check out this video right after that. This video shows you how to empty the trash bin on your iPhone. You've probably never done it, but you got to do it often. So check out that video and I'll see you there.